Guys, it's Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and I want to show you a quick 5-minute tip for this week using a translation tool using OK Google. Now, I have an iPhone, so I'm going to go through Siri to get to OK Google. If you have an Android, you can just go straight to OK Google. So I'm going to say, "Hey Siri, OK Google, hey Google, be my Spanish translator."
All right, let's start.
So you see how it has English to Spanish because I said Spanish translator. So if I want to say German translator or any other language, I could say that and it'll do this for me. So I'm going to hit the English button. Good morning. How are you today?
Buenos días, ¿cómo estás hoy?
Where do you find the library?
¿Dónde encuentras la biblioteca?
Isn't this cool?
¿No es genial?
I'm going to hit the X to stop it.
Sure, I'll stop translating.
And that is your quick tool. I do have another video using the Microsoft Translator app that is another 5-minute tip. So, bye.